putting the tether on her, which is really, really uncalled for.
Put a tether on?
Yes, really uncalled for under the set of circumstances where they normally do this type of action for an individual that already been deported as a deportation order against them, not free deportation order status. But that's the immigration fee. That has nothing to do with it.
Can I just ask you one more question? ALPACT has been around for, what, 10 years?
Well,
In the
13
last 2 years, the FBI has been investigating Imam Abdullah and his mosque. Have they, in your discussions, this is an organization of both police and community organizations. In your discussions, have they ever raised that they were doing this?
I think it's policy for the law enforcement never to discuss an ongoing investigation. I think it will thwart the intents of the investigations.
Would you think it's useful to continue discussions with them?
Oh, absolutely. I think dialogue and communication is very important. It really helps to address and makes the opposing parties, whether it be law enforcement or the civil rights community, more sensitive to the issues at hand. And this is really an issue that the community in general has been looking at. The law enforcement is very sensitive to these situations. Of course, no one wants someone to be killed. Unfortunately, this is what happened.
Why did Andrew Agenda and Sandra Berchtold of the FBI meet with the other organization called COIM, I believe it is, another organization of the day after this incident happened, and did not meet with CARE or any of you people?
Are you speaking
here?
about, I think the FBI did meet with the imams, and I think, yeah.
I was there
they
present.
would.
You were present? Yeah. Is there anything that you can say about the outcome of that meeting? The FBI came out saying that you all were astonished at what they revealed. That was quoted in the paper.
Let's just say that from that meeting, we heard and came across a lot more information after that initial meeting with the FBI, which then caused the CIOM itself to issue a statement. The imams of Metro Detroit also called for an independent investigation into this matter because we hadn't got all the facts, and all we did was hear certain things from the FBI. And based upon that, there were certain things that were said by a spokesman, but later on there was a statement released by COM calling for an independent investigation. Going back to what you said, I think is something very important. We feel because of the loss of life and also the nature of this case and it getting international attention, the first time that a Islamic cleric has ever been killed by American law enforcement, we have strong belief that the DOJ Civil Rights Division will do an investigation on this case. However, if they don't, we still have means of petitioning the head of the Judiciary Committee. Congressman John Conyers is right here. Imam Luqman was killed in Congressman Conyers' district. So we have been in conversation with Congressman Conyers. He is aware of this case, and in the event that the DOJ Civil Rights Division does not investigate this further, Congressman Conyers has oversight over the DOJ and the FBI itself.